In today's video, I will walk you through how to contact PayPal support for real help. We all know how frustrating it can be when you need help with an online payment issue and cannot get a clear answer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact PayPal support through the web version and how to reach a real person for assistance. First, log into your PayPal account. If you do not already have an account, create one through PayPal's website before continuing. After signing in, go to your main account page and scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a help link there. Click on it to open PayPal's Help Center. You can also go directly to the Help Center by typing paypal.com/help into your browser's address bar. Inside the Help Center, you will find support topics related to disputes, account limitations, payment problems, and other common issues. Browse through the available sections if you want to check for answers related to your problem. If the help articles are not enough and you need to contact a real person, go to the Message Center. From the Help Center, click on the Message Center option to continue. You can also access it directly through PayPal's support contact pages. Once you are inside the Message Center, click on New Message to begin. In the message box, type a short and clear explanation of your issue. Keep the message concise while still including the necessary details. For example, you can mention that your account is limited and that you already uploaded the requested documents for review. After sending the message, wait for a response from a PayPal agent. If you contact support during business hours, you are more likely to receive a reply from a real person instead of an automated response. If you still cannot find the help you need, return to the help page and click Contact Us. You will then see different categories related to specific issues, including account access, security, payments, transfers, disputes, and chargebacks. Select the category that matches your issue and continue following the prompts on the screen. As you move through the available options, you may eventually see a Call Us option if you want to speak directly with a support representative over the phone. Continue following the instructions shown for your selected support method until your request is submitted or connected to a support agent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you contact PayPal support more efficiently.